We're back at 8:44, special edition of Steals and Deals. It's time to rise, shine, and save.
Who doesn't love to save? Today, lifestyle contributor Jill Martin joins us with exclusive discounts of all items that will help us revamp our morning routines and start our day off right.
Yes, now that we could sleep better, that was fascinating.
I know, you're about to get married.
Sweet. Yes, about to get married, but we both
heard a bunch of grumpy married
people. We both
people.
sleep at 68 degrees with no pillow fort.
Oh,
so
okay,
that's
good.
starting
That's
off
made in
okay.
heaven.
Okay, now let's start your morning routine right. I am very into this electric toothbrush. It's the Tao Clean. Its retail is $129. Now, you pointed out something. You do need a lot of counter space for this because it is wide. But
like a rocket ship.
40,000 brush strokes per minute. So it definitely will get.
Is that more than the other ones?
Well, it's more than I guess a regular that you would do. Yeah, you
It
get
feels like a rocket
two cleaning
ship.
modes,
It too.
and it charges, protects, and sanitizes.
Do you
What I like about
sanitize by
this one,
this?
yes, you flip it over, and that's how it sanitizes. So I'm super into that. In black, rose gold, and silver, the retail $129, the deal $39, 70% off for $39.
Yeah.
You could also keep it underneath because you don't need to charge it every day, and then just keep this atop.
That's a good idea.
Now there you go. That's a good idea.
And the rose
Okay.
gold is chic.
Yes.
Herbe Viva Body Care, and that translates to living herbs in Italian. The retail $107. You have two choices. So Awaken, which has lemongrass and rose in it.
Oh,
It's
I like
supposed to be
that.
stimulating. And then the other option is Relax, and that has lavender in it, which I love. Restores your equilibrium. You get the body wash, the lotion, the sunscreen, the deodorant, and the lip balm.
Ooh, a lot of stuff.
So it's really cool when you have a steal and deal like this to just like sort of revamp your morning routine, start new, see what you like. The retail $107, deal $39, 64% off.
That's a great deal.
Okay. This
I love a good blow
Savannah
dryer.
really does.
I love a blow dryer.
In style hair dryer, the retail $99. Now this company says it will dry your hair in half the time to a traditional hair dryer.
Have you tried it?
I have tried it. I have to be honest that I use a different hair dryer because
Yes,
I
you
started with the curl because I curl my hair, but it does do from the traditional one that I used to do half the time. I test out all the products, so
Yes.
I can.
It's also
test it.
pretty.
The retail, and counter space when you
Yes.
put it underneath. The retail $99, the deal $36, 64% off.
Wowzers. All right, tell us about this palette. I love makeup.
All right, this is really good as you're revamping your morning routine because anything that uses a brush, you should replenish every 3 to 6 months because of bacteria. You should wash the
The
brush.
actual
I
eyeshadow?
know. We did this when
my
we did
God.
the
I have
back-
eyeshadow from the
back-
80s
Me
in my
too.
I
cabinet.
know, you should.
blue.
So, but that's back now, so that works
Yeah.
out.
Yes.
But anything with a brush, I'm saying, because, like the bacteria accumulate.
So you
should
don't have
wash
to
it.
actually get rid of this. You just
Right,
get a new
just
brush.
the brush.
Okay.
And so
okay.
it's what I love about this though is you could really revamp your whole routine because it has all these colors. 3 sets to choose from 4 pieces each. So it's all spelled out on today.com. The retail 100 to 102, the deal 28, up to 73% off. That's a
Also,
really great deal
These
in a major
colors
brand.
look good on everybody. This is a
Yeah,
good one.
a
Jill.
good neutral color. Okay, here is this major juicer, the Culinar juicer,
Wow.
dishwasher safe.
Wow.
Okay,
Can we do
put
it?
in? Yeah, just put it
What do
in.
you
This
do?
is like
Sorry.
easy proof.
Oh.
The pulp on one side,
Let's
the juice
try-
on the other. That's all you have to do. It's foolproof.
Wait,
The-
what?
But look, it's not coming out.
Look.
Oh, it is coming out.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Oh, wait, what? Oh, so the juice, how interesting. At the same time,
You get the
it's
pulp.
juicing and
And
processing.
pulping. Yep.
Wow.
Isn't
You
that
could
great?
probably use this as some sort of garnish later in your day.
If
right?
I had any idea how to use garnish or even cook, that would
All
be a
right.
good
Okay,
idea.
you know
But
what?
This
You
is
could
awesome.
put this in like a burger and your kids would never
Right?
know that healthy stuff was in it.
Jill, should we go over
I love that.
We have 30
the
seconds.
retail 325, the deal 130, 60%.
Okay, sorry. You just blew our
Last
minds.
one. We have the electric yoga fitness wear, the retail 56 to 116. You could see all the styles on today.com. 11 to 19 is the deal. That's up to 88% off.
Great.
And this is our first time doing these swell bottles.
People love
Super
these,
popular.
yeah.
You see them all around our office, all different colors and patterns. The retail's $45, 25 ounces. It stays hot up to 12 hours, cold up to 24
Oh, that's so
hours.
good.
Wow.
$13.50 is the deal.
Thank
That's
you.
really awesome.
That's a
right
screaming
now.
deal,
That
Jill.
sure is.
Okay, the products once again: electric toothbrushes from Tao Clean, body sets from Herba Viva, InStyler hair dryers, makeup sets from Cargo Cosmetics, the Culinaire juicers, activewear from Electric Yoga, and Swell bottles.
Wow, you really started our day right.
Yeah, and you can find all the deals and more on today.com/deals. And just so you know, Today will make a small share of revenue from your purchases.
Thank you, Jill.